Hey guys, you might know me from the 240Z project. This is the next project I'll be working on after I finish the Z. It's a 1964 Datsun Bluebird wagon. I'm going all out show on this for three reasons. Sentimental value, and it's ugly, so it's a challenge, and very unique. Hopefully there won't be anything else like it. Going metallic orange, airbag suspension, possibly CA18 turbo, big stereo. Yeah, and pretty much there won't be much original left on it when I've finished. It's going to be full custom, so this one will be interesting, I think. And do full respray, undercarriage, separate body from chassis, clean everything right up, and it should be an award winner. Here's my cat, who's not meant to be outside. Oh, that's why he's weird. He's never been outside before. Anyway, back to the Ursula. That's what I've called it. Well, that's what my ex-girlfriend called it anyway. Alright, I'll get back to you later on. I've got another couple of things I want to show you. Okay, these are my other two cars. This is the one I'm using the motor out of for my 240Z. It's a shame it's in reasonable condition, but it's defected for various different things. The motor is quite good, quite tight. And the other one, I'm just parting that out. I'll probably pull that apart next weekend and get rid of the body. Okay, I'll see you later.